How to save products to my list in Sephora. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Sephora.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. To save products to my list, go to the product you want to save to your list. After you've selected the product, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in the product, and after you scroll down at the bottom of the product, you'll find a heart icon. Simply click on the heart icon, which is also beside in basket. After you've done that, to see, press on done. To find my list, you can simply scroll upwards and click on the heart icon at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find all your list in here. This is how to save products to my list in Sephora. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.